Hi guys, we're looking at the Greendale rocket. Bought this in a charity shop a while ago, and when I did the video I said I intended to take it apart, see if I could make it electric powered, because at the moment it's got a push along flywheel motor in it. Well, I've just spent some time getting it apart. I didn't actually video me taking it apart because it was quite a struggle. Mainly because quite a few of the bits were glued together. It isn't intended to be taken apart. So, well, I'll show you some of the bits and pieces. For a start, you couldn't get to that screw because this little panel was glued over it. That screw hole was okay. That screw hole was okay. Those two you couldn't get to until you took the front off, and you couldn't get the front off until you'd got this off, which was also glued in place. And there's two screws in there. Let's see, the roof was glued in place. Once you got it apart, these bits came off quite easily. They're held in place by screws, but they just slide onto these slots. That just slides in place. That's the screw holes on the back of there. I like all the detailing on here, it's a great fun. Underneath, there's 4 screw holes there. Can you see them? There we go. One there, one there, one there, and one there. Initially, those are the only 4 screw holes I spotted, and I thought that's all I had to take apart, but I was wrong. Those screws hold these pieces in place, which help to clamp down the side of the train, side of the bodywork. And then we're down to the flywheel motor. What I need to decide now is how I'm going to motorise it. I suppose I could just unscrew those 2 screws so we can have a look inside. Well, I thought that was going to slide out. Doesn't seem to want to. Why doesn't that want to slide out? That's because the wheels have been put on afterwards. And they're actually sitting in these little indentations where the inner side of the wheel is actually sitting in place, so you can't pull it out. Brilliant. Well, I'm sure I could use brute force to get it out, but I won't do that just now. You can see the motor there. I'll bring the light round a bit. There we go. So it's just a fairly standard looking flywheel motor. But I'm going to stop the video there because we've seen inside it. And I'm going to have to decide what I'm going to do about motorising it. And there's plenty of gears in there, so I can probably arrange something where I link up with some of those gears and bypass the flywheel. So that'll do for now.